Transport primitive people like we once were Saturday, However, being a high school senior, I know better than anyone else that statistics and numbers do not reveal everything. I would like to shift the focus to the young Americans like myself, because I see that the passing of one challenge arises another. The torch has now been passed from the first generation to the current generation. I know that we are an ambitious people, and often with that ambition comes opportunities for letdowns and failures. This generation knows that since we are the first to truly experience the fruits of this country, we must take advantage of every opportunity. Success is becoming an expectation because after all, we live in a country where everyone is given equal opportunity. However, when we try to compete with other children, particularly those who started much further ahead in life than we have, we find it difficult to keep up. We forget that our parents do not speak English and ask them for help in areas where they cannot provide it. We forget that we come from low-income households, that our opportunities are not as vast as some of our friends. We forget that we live in two worlds and are constantly clashing. A world in which the young and old cannot see eye to eye. The clash of traditionalism and modernism between our own people is perhaps our greatest challenge. The chances of success for those who have to endure all of this are slim. And yet we have instilled into our brains that if we fail to overcome these problems, that this generation will fail. After all, we as a people have overcome countless boundaries and obstacles, and too often have our success been shrouded by the course of history. Let us celebrate the success of today and prepare for the challenges of tomorrow. Even as I highlight the struggles our young people face today, I nonetheless have nothing but high hopes and optimism for what the future holds. Even with all these drawbacks, as the children of today grow to become the leaders of tomorrow, I see a future in which there is an abundance of opportunities to rejoice in the success of our people. I see young politicians regularly speak at our events, smiling faces, parents who see their kids off to college, and the hard work we put into better ourselves. Some wavering diligence and success, amazing.
Do you have headphones you want to use? No, it's fine.
Rainbow ด้านหน้า8月浪期等电的混入杯锅 Blazing Sapphire。
Thank
you up on